nǹkan tó mú gbogbo ìwà mi báyìí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀.
olórí Naomi ló ń fẹ́ ṣe ló ń ṣe ayẹyẹ fún mọ́dẹ̀ ní bó ṣe máa ń ṣe lọ́dọọdún ní gbogbo òlú nìyí.
Oriyomi Hamzat ọlẹ́yìn 5,000 lòun nílò ọlẹ́yìn 5,000 ní tó bá jẹ́ wípé ọ̀nà àwọn ọmọ tó ń fẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé àwọn ẹ̀gán pé ẹ bá farabalẹ̀ ní gbogbo ẹ̀ta àwọn ìbàyí àti tó 5,000 naira àì tó 5,000 rárá torí wípé àìfarabalẹ̀ gbogbo wa olóúnjẹ kórí báyìí ní rọ́ọ̀ṣì fi ń dé ẹlẹ́bí tó wá láàárọ̀ tó mọ̀ tí ì jẹ kankan tí wọ́n ti ọmọ ẹ̀ báwo ni mo ṣe ní fẹ́ǹtì ọmọ máa fẹ́ǹtì náà pẹ̀lú ooru kárípé ó kálukú wa.
ṣèbí bí a bá ṣe ń gbàdúrà wípé kí Ọlọ́run má jàre ogun àkóbá àti àdábá bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ká ṣe máa gbàdúrà wípé kí Ọlọ́run má fi àtijẹ àti àtimu wá síbi tó nira. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ńlá kan rèé tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ìyẹn nílùú Ìbàdàn. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Mo mọ̀ pé ẹ fẹ́ gbọ́. A kú dédé àsìkò níbikíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń wo ìkànnì yìí. Mo bẹ̀ ọ́ tó bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ ìkànnì yìí fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́. Ìkànnì Lovers Arena TV nìkan tí ó já sí yìí. Mo bẹ̀ ọ́ bá mi subscribe sí ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ hun ọ̀rọ̀ mi agogo kan níbẹ̀ táwọn olóògbé máa ń pè ní notification bell. Bá mi tẹ̀ tó bá tẹ̀ tán yóò gbé option mẹ́ta kan wá èyí tí ń bẹ lókè òun gangan tí ń ṣe option A lí àti lí òun ni kó bá mi tẹ̀ tó bá tẹ̀ tán yọ̀ǹda rẹ̀ like fídíò tó ń wò lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí. Ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó gbomi jẹ́ lójú ẹni kan ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ìyẹn ní ìlú Ìbàdàn níbi tá a ti rí gbọ́ wípé olórí Naomi ìyẹn Ṣẹ̀kúnọlá ìyàwó Ọọ̀ni ti Ilé Ifẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ rí níbi tí a ti gbọ́ wípé ó ní ayẹyẹ kan tó máa ń ṣe fún àwọn ọmọ wẹ́wẹ́ ìyẹn lọ́dọọdún. Ayẹyẹ yìí ló rò pé kóun ṣe lọ́dún yìí ló wá rò pé kóun darapọ̀ mọ́ Oriyomi Hamzat ìyẹn ẹni tó ní Àgídìgbò FM ti ìlú Ìbàdàn. Àṣeyẹ yìí ni wọ́n rò pé kí wọ́n ṣe ní àná tí ń ṣe 18th of December 2024. Lérò gbà wípé wọ́n kọ síta wípé èèyàn 5,000 péré ni wọ́n nílò nígbà tí wọ́n yóò fi ka àwọn tí ń bẹ ní ìta. Àwọn èèyàn 7,500 làwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n jẹ́ sí ìpè yìí. Kí wá ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Àìlè ní sùúrù àwọn òbí ó jẹ́ kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn kí wọ́n pàdánù ọmọ wọn. Àìlè ní sùúrù níbi tí wọ́n ti fẹ́ máa pín àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ní fáwọn ọmọ. Òun ló fà á tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ fi ṣèṣe tó fi di wípé ọmọ 22 tí ń ṣe 32 òun ló jẹ́ lọ́hùn nípè ìyẹn ní àná tó fi wá di pé àṣeyẹ ọ̀hún kò wá ṣe é ṣe mọ́. Bí mo ti ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí àṣeyẹ náà wọn kò lè ṣe rárá àti rárá o. Bàbá wa Oriyomi Hamzat ó wá sọ̀rọ̀ ó fi léde ó sọ wípé òun ò lérò pé òun lè rí ènìyàn 7,500 nítorí pé ènìyàn 5,000 péré làwọn táwọn retí ní Islamic High School Bashorun léyìí tó ń bẹ nílùú Ìbàdàn tí wọ́n pè ní Wings Foundation. Èyí ló ya àwọn ènìyàn lẹ́nu wípé wọn ò lérò wípé àwọn ọmọ tí yóò wá sí àṣeyẹ yìí pé wọn yóò pọ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ àti àwọn àti òbí. Àìlè ní sùúrù àwọn ènìyàn wọ̀nyí ló jẹ́ kí wọ́n pàdánù àwọn ọmọ wọn. Àwọn ọmọ 22 làwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n jẹ́ Ọlọ́run nípè. Kò kí ń ṣe olórí Naomi ló pa àwọn ọmọ yìí o gẹ́gẹ́ bí kùmùkùmù èyí tí ń lọ ní ìgboro. Àmọ́ olórí àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí ń bẹ nílùú Ìbàdàn ó ti ń tún fi ìdí ìkókò ó ti ń wo bọ́rọ̀ náà ṣe jẹ́ àti wípé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ wò bó bá tún ṣe jẹ́ á tún mú wá sórí ìkànnì yìí ẹ lè gbọ́ ibi tí ó dé gangan. Olórí Naomi kọ́ ló pa wọ́n o. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni wípé àìlè ní sùúrù àwọn òbí yìí òun ló fà á tí wọ́n fi pàdánù ọmọ wọn. Kì í ṣe Oriyomi Hamzat tàbí olórí Naomi nítorí wípé wọ́n kọ síbẹ̀ wípé ó di àárọ̀ kùtùkùtù kí wọ́n tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ àṣeyẹ yìí. Ohun tó ya àwọn àgídìgbò lẹ́nu ni wípé aago 5 àárọ̀ kùtùkùtù làwọn òbí yìí fúnra wọn gangan pàápàá ni wọ́n ti ń dé Báṣọ̀run yìí, ìyẹn ilé ìwé tí wọ́n fẹ́ lò nílùú Ìbàdàn. Bí iṣu ṣe kún àti bọ́bẹ̀ ṣe bú rèé o. Àmọ́ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ àti bí wọ́n ṣe rìnrìn àjò yìí kókó tó dì wípé wọ́n ṣe àṣeyẹ yìí ní àná tí wọn kò lè ṣe tí wọ́n sún sí ọjọ́ iwájú. Bó ṣe kọ́kọ́ rí òun ní kọ́kọ́ fi hàn yín ná. Benjamin Olúwaṣẹ́gun Olúwapamílẹ́rìn tó bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ ìkànnì yìí mo bẹ̀ ọ́ bá mi subscribe sí pẹ̀gbẹ́ ọ̀hún ó rẹ́ mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kan níbẹ̀ bá mi tẹ̀ ẹ́ yóò gbọ́ option mẹ́ta kan wá èyí tí ń ṣe option a lí àti lí òun ni kò bá mi tẹ̀ ó ṣeun ó dìgbà kan náà ná.
Fantastic intervention, I might say. I mean, it's laudable to have the aspiration to put smiles on the faces of our children, particularly what I call the special children. Probably if we had engaged at some point, we'll probably have been able to put together a collaborative program, so to speak. Nothing spoiled. There's more than enough sun out there. Yeah. So we can. But you are probably going to have to do this again next year. You are probably going to have to come back. It's exciting for me because apart from being a mother myself, you are right on the score when you say, when you make it, no matter whatever crime you might have committed, whatever offense, once you can put a smile on her child's face, a woman will forgive you. Exactly. And we are also putting something up with what I call our special children, as indigent children who have no family structure, so to say, so no safety net. Yes. And I think it's imperative, while everybody's in the celebratory mood, to also do something, you know, to put smiles on their faces, make them feel loved, so they don't feel left all alone. Although every child in your state, in line with the provisions of the Child Rights Act, is the child is the responsibility of the Commissioner for Women Affairs, who is holding that trust in place, securely in place on behalf of the governor of the state. So we endeavor to do this on a yearly basis, have an engagement with our children. I mean, some well-intentioned individuals just came over with some material that we're going to put together. What I distributed, so it's a laudable gesture. It's admirable, and the fact that you're doing it in tandem with the interventions to support our women, I think it's fantastic. Yes. I will, if I say so myself, on behalf of Oyo State Government, on behalf of the Ministry of Women Affairs, we will be looking forward to doing something collaborative for both the women and the children demographic going forward. At some point, we'll engage and see how we can find. Yes, yes. Laudable venture, one we are proud and happy to be part of. So, welcome to Oyo.
Thank you.
Welcome to Ibadan. Thank you for loving our children.
Thank you.
On behalf of His Excellency.
Thank you.
And my brother here, who is also a Baba away himself. So, what's the timeline tomorrow like? Fortunately or unfortunately, you know how it is. Crazily busy schedule. Tomorrow we have an event schedule that His Excellency. Tomorrow day, Oriyomi is supposed to be part of. It's mandated. I have to be there. Okay. So, but we'll find a way to make it work. Okay. And then go there. Okay. But we'll make it work. Okay. Somehow. So what's the structure, the timeline for tomorrow's program like?
Okay, so we say 10 a.m. but usually the 10 that morning is just to make the children happy, like the main becomes tick around 2 o'clock, 1 p.m.
Okay.
That's a 1 p.m.
Okay. So if I come in around 12, 1-ish, I mean still
Yeah, I think one is good.
Okay.
One is good. Okay. Yes.
So Maboko Law she the excellence then calm down.
Yes, because we would love you to speak to the children. It's one of the reasons that we cannot come to Ibadan and have a program like this and not visit the mother of the children. You know, and you are doing an amazing job.
Seriously, really?
Thank you for welcoming us.
That's a huge vote of confidence.
Thank you. You are doing an amazing job, and I must say that coming in here and the few minutes that I've even had with you, we can say that yes, because for positions like this, for roles like this, we want to have women who are motherly, pleasant, you know, close to the children, down to earth. You are amazing. And I must commend you for the amazing welcome that my team and I has received. We came in late and you have been kind enough to still, you know, receive us, and every word that you have said resonates with me. I will be glad to have that collaboration with the Ministry of Women Affairs in Oyo State government at large to see how, because I see that Oyo has that population and the women here are amazing. They need that support. So gladly, my foundation will come in, and I believe it will be great. So thank you for honoring our invite to make the children happy, because once they see their, you know, it's,
I mean, anything, I tell people that the only reason why we're here on this seat, apart from it being maybe a bigger platform to do what we've been doing before, I mean, it's always a joy to be able to add value to the quality of life lived by children and women and the other demographics who are covered by the ambits of the ministry, which a lot of people erroneously think is just about women. Yeah. And you know, when I say somebody once asked me, there was a journalist, I thought that the ministry is basically just about women and maybe dancing. By the time I outlined the area of responsibilities that involved, it was like, whoa, you have your work cut out. I said, so you see, you need to support your sister with a lot of prayers, because formerly the ministry used to be called Ministry of Women Affairs and Poverty Alleviation. But my principal in his wisdom, when he came on board, recalibrated the nomenclature to read as Ministry of Women Affairs and Social Inclusion, which encompasses a huge wide ambit. Includes responsibility for the women, the female demographic, the children demographic, the elderly, the physically challenged. In fact, the entire broad spectrum of the vulnerable in our society, and also is responsible for some elements of the security in each adubo, in each local government, in each state. Responsibility for them belongs to this ministry. So it's a whole huge. And I usually say that social welfare is primarily the responsibility of government. But the ambits are so huge that government alone cannot do it. So when we see either individuals or corporate entities or NGOs or multilaterals that are willing to devolve from their time and resources to support what government is doing, it's worthy of celebration. And in fact, one of the conversations that I had with my principal was that we have it in the pipeline at some point during the next fiscal year, before the year runs to an end. We're going to have an engagement platform where we bring to a nexus between both those individuals, corporate entities, NGOs that have done one thing or the other to support what the government of the state is doing through the ministry. Have an engagement with His Excellency and the First Lady, and just touch base so that we can appreciate the good work that you are doing for people in Oyo State. So we're looking forward to even more fruitful collaborations in the best interests of the women and children of Oyo State. Thank you so much for coming. Ṣé brother mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ mi?
Gbogbo náà sọ náà mọ̀
You should actually say something because it's been amazing.
You have to say something.
He's our grand host here. It's been amazing.
Yeah, let's be good, man.
Tí ìdè lọ lọ́rọ̀ tàbá tí mo sọ fún yín yẹn.
Lọ́la.
Náà lágbọ́ aláti sọ fún ọ whether it's a goal.
It's a good, it's a good. Everything
Oh, let's
from
have a photograph.
Okay, yeah.
Just one or two. ẹjọ́ ìwọ náà.
Ẹ kọ́kọ́ yà tí yín. PS.
Sadia.
Come here.
Mr. Okay.
Not me, but mommy thinks. Although you look up and smile.
You know why they jump.
Yeah. So just the oh yeah. So just 2 minutes. I can joke with 2 minutes. Let's just start. Oh, Lord, you can join us.
Oh, okay.
Èmi ò lè ṣe yẹn, ìyẹn kéré fún yín. But number.
Ba number will be just have you attended to one before? She attends to before. Yes, we are sourced from opportunities, we are sourced from schools and general professionals. 13 years, so that you see our people struggle. We'll come for security. Yes, then I'm still going to check. Yes, there is private security by
Thank you.